Hello students, in today's lecture we will see how to install MongoDB on your machine. So you have to Google and you have to type your operating system. I am having Ubuntu 18.04 64-bit and I want to download MongoDB for it. So I'll check which downloads are available. So here specifically I'll have typed mongodb.tgz download. I want to download .tgz file. TGZ file is similar to zip file and we are having docs.mongodb.com from where we can get the official help for the MongoDB, and from this link we can get the help how to install MongoDB. So we will come on this page docs.mongodb.com and here we will get exact all the procedure for the installation. So in the procedure, first we have to download the tarball. To download the tarball, we have to go to this link, MongoDB Download Center. And on the MongoDB Download Center, we have to specify the version that we want. The latest version is the 4.4.1. I'll say mention here what is my platform. I am having Ubuntu 18.04 and I will select .tgz file. So I will download the .tgz file. When I'll click on the download, this download will get saved in my download folders. So from the download folders, I have copy pasted it in my home folder. So in my home folder, I have this .tgz file that I have downloaded. Basically that .tgz file then you have to extract, and this is the extracted folder of the .tgz file. Now I'll start using MongoDB. To start using MongoDB, I have to be a root user, and this is the path of my home where my downloaded extracted Mongo Linux folder is. This is my extracted MongoDB folder. My extracted MongoDB folder should have all these files and it contains MongoDB README. So MongoDB README file will have all the installation instructions of the MongoDB. How I can start the MongoDB. So I'll proceed with this README instruction. If you want to see the MongoDB help, we can see this MongoDB help. This MongoDB help we can use here. For using this, I should have Mongo Linux Ubuntu 4.41 my current working directory, and I should be in the bin directory. So this bin directory contains Mongo, MongoD and MongoS. So MongoD is a daemon service that starts the Mongo server, and Mongo is a client service that connects to this server. This is a client server architecture. First always we have to start the server, then my client can connect to the server. So ensure that your Mongo Linux extracted folder should be in the home, and you extract that folder, and your current working directory should be bin. After this, I can execute ./mongodb. Now why I am typing here ./mongodb? Because this is the executable file. This is the runnable file for the Mongo server. And I have to specify database path here. and the database path that I have to specify here should be /data/db. So I have to make this directory in the bin folder. I'll follow the readme instructions, and after following the readme instructions I have created this sudo make directory -p /data/db in the bin folder. So whatever documents you create in the MongoDB will get stored in this path. This path is under the bin. So I have made this directory that will have a data path. Now I will start MongoD daemon service. So to start this service I have to just ./MongoD I have to mention. So this will start my Mongo server. So here my Mongo server is started. Now Mongo server is a backend process that start running. I have to open now another window, and in another window I will start the client for this server process. So how to start the client for this Mongo server? Again I should have my current working directory which is this extracted Mongo Linux 8664 Ubuntu 4.4.1. So that will be my current working directory. I will change to the bin, and after changing to the bin I will type here ./Mongo. This is the client process, client executable process. Now this will give me a prompt. So this is the prompt that I have got. Now I will type a very basic instruction in the MongoDB which is similar to our MySQL, that is the show DBs. What the show DBs instruction do? It shows all the default databases of MongoDB. So here in this video we have seen how to create, how to download basically the MongoDB. After downloading the MongoDB, how to start the Mongo server, and how to connect from client to the server, and after connecting client to the server we get this prompt, and here we have shown the databases, and you should get the admin, config and local. These are the default databases that are there. So here we have finished the installation process of MongoDB. Thank you. If you have any query, you can post your queries to me.